boss. That time around in that play, he was the boss.
And it's all because of defense.
Yes. 55-48. Ang PNP, bumabalik na rito ang Alaska Aces. Kirby Raimundo. Very active ang mga kamay itong Alaska Aces. Ayan na naman, muntik na naman. Brandon Cablay! Yes!
Masakit ka na.
19 in the ball game para kay Brandon Cablay.
Baka yung sinasabi ni Coach Tinkon, nakakasakit ka na.
Kaya nga eh. Willie Miller, bumped and fouled. Peter June Simon.
Dito na experience.
That's the second against Peter June Simon. But Brandon Cablay with an up and under move. He's got 19 points in the ball game. He leads Pure Foods. Pure Foods on top. 58-48 para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. They were given a scare earlier. The lead has been cut down to 7, pero somehow nakagawa na naman ng paraan. Brandon Cablay sinking a 3, conference high of 19 points.
Well, makikita mo, first 7 games ni Brandon Cablay, a total of 15 points.
Kaya nga eh.
Ngayon, 19 na.
Sanito, sa'yo na masakit doon, yung mga tutukan na gano'n.
Bumalik na naman yung gano'n.
At ito, perimeter scoring natin, Pure Foods 36, Alaska 7. Impression. Raimundo. Right now to James Yap. James Yap, ayaw. That finger roll.
Nabitin siya doon eh. But he was challenged.
Just a little over 5 minutes dito sa ating third quarter. Let's turn you over right now to Dominic Uy.
Benji, kung madami nagtatao bakit hindi nag-start sa larong ito si Willie Miller. He was actually late dun sa kanilang call time. He was 10 minutes late, kaya naman nag-start tong si Mike Cortez at nag-carry over na yun pagdating dito sa third quarter. Benji?
Alright, ganun pala yun.
Late, ha?
Oo.
Well, yung purpose galing sa late. Late eh.
Pero natakloban sila. Natakloban sila ng Red Bull.
Ano nangyari sa kanila?
Alright. Reset ang offense ngayon of Pure Foods TJ Giants. Kirby Raymond, the ball almost stolen from him once again. Peter June.
Meron pa ba?
Press.
So, dadagdagan mo na yan. 39 na yan.
39 na yan. Scoring para sa Pure Foods.
13 points in the ball game para kay TJ Simon. Kadikit at ito na lang kanina eh.
Kaya nga eh. Tony De La Cruz off the mark.
Ang lalayo na naman ang Pure Foods.
Brandon Cablay.
Isa pa ba?
Then. Pasa-pasa muna. Haba pa ng shot clock. 10 seconds.
Bakit Coach Tim Cone dito? Bakit?
Coach Tim Cone.
Why?
Eh, hindi naman, he's not a player. I don't think he can do that.
Bakit nga? Anong nirereklamo ni Coach Tim Cone?
Fuming mad, furious. Once again, clarification from our referees. You can't do that. Be in the middle of the court. Timeout muna ang Alaska Aces. Unti-unti. Lumalayo na naman ang Pure Foods, 64-48. Gitna na ng floor. Let's try to see. Ano ba yung nirereklamo niya rito? Well, James Shop trying to find space for a shot here. He sinks the 3. Pero nirereklamo ba niya ron yung tulak itong si James Shop? Let's try to find out. The no call here.
Hindi, wala naman eh. Wala eh. And
that's, I think that's normal basketball.
Normal basketball.
We're just protecting the basketball.
Oo. Kung naman nag-extend yung left arm ni James Shop eh.
Exactly. So right now, technical free throw para kay James Shop.
Well, hindi na natin masyado makita yun dahil natatakpan ni Tony. Pero yung ganun, dalaw parang normal basketball eh.
Kaya nga eh.
But Alaska will have possession dito after that technical free throw ni James Yap. At namagana ito ulit, 17 points, 2 points shy of the biggest lead.
Yeah. At 19 kanina nung first half. They should focus on their game here. Doing that. Yes.
The veteran that he is.
13 points para kay Jeffrey Carriazo. Kanina nga nakita ko tinatapik-tapik pa niya yung referee.
Alam mo, wala na rin susulatan si Coach Tim Kun eh. Nabasag pala yung whiteboard.
Well, nakita na.
Splatter pala yun.
Ako talagang binato mo yan. With full force. Ganun na nga mangyayari.
Pwede pala yun.
Ang gusto nyo basagin naman dito, itong lamang ng Red Bull. Ay, rather ng Pure Foods.
Well, yun yung denominator natin.
Yun nga yung denominator natin, yung Red Bull. Ayan, Carriazo. Double figures. But who's going to help them out?
Ito, si Tony Derico siguro. Dahil naka-gusto ng 3-point shot.
Slowly but surely. But the late. Willie Miller. Na-late lang na-late ka.
Na-late lang. Probably yung ginawa ni Coach Tim Kun was just to fire up his word.
Like a disciplinary action. May call time naman talaga eh. Just like us, di ba? Just like us.
Aga ko natin ito. Nandito na ako eh.
Missing with a 3, ito si James Shop. 65-53 ang ating score ito. Pure Foods. Santos keeping it alive para sa Alaska Aces. Willie Miller has to do something about his game. Dito para sa Hawks ng Alaska.
Ay, ilang beses na yun? 3 beses na para kay Santos Pusuna.
Well, hindi na kasalanan ng ring yan, ha?
Hindi na. Eh, kabilang ring na to eh.
Kaya nga eh. Kirby Raimundo right now. Inside 2 minutes ng ating third quarter. May steal ang Alaska Aces.
Hindi magandang pa.
Tony De La Cruz taking it strong. Wala. Nando si Jeffrey Carriazo. All business.
And he was up against a rookie. So, Carriazo knew what to do. A 7-0 run para sa Alaska after the technical foul of Team Cone.
15 points already for the Jet. Pabasa 10. Ito lamang ng Pure Foods. Kirby Raimundo. Wala.
Bad para sa Pure Foods, ano? Kumbaga, yung mga tira nila, passing natin, pati
Let's see. Yung kaninang technical na naitawag ni Coach Tim Cone is firing up Alaska Aces right now, Barry.
alam mo, itong rally ng Alaska nangyari nung inilabas si Brandon Cablay.
Well, Pure Foods ngayon gagawa ng adjustment.
Ayun, ibabalik si Brandon Cablay.
And an end-one play here para kay Reynel Hugnatan. Pure Foods TJ Giants after suffering their biggest contest last Saturday sa Tacloban laban sa Red Bull. But look at the way they're coming back. Pero right now, speaking of coming back, Alaska Aces, Barry, is coming back in this game.
Well, after the technical foul na naisampal dito kay Coach Tim Cone, that fired up his words. Meron tayong text message na natanggap kay Air 20 sa Buong Perasol.
Okay.
Yan, pakibati ko raw yung nanay niya. Happy birthday. 59th birthday ng kanyang mother na si Elizabeth na nasa General Santos City.
Ayan, happy birthday, ma'am! Samantala, ito ngayon yung bonus free throw para kay Reynel Hugnatan. At naipasok niya yan. Well, he's got a total of 13 points right now. Him and Jeffrey Carriazo, all business dito sa ball game na ito, Barry.
At Alaska is back in the ball game dahil ito na lang itong hinahabol nila. This is the closest that Alaska has gotten.
But Brandon Cablay is back naman para sa Pure Foods. Chico Lanete lets it fly for a 3. Wala. Kirby Raimundo gets the offensive rebound.
Ay, fellow pass inside of Chico Lanete. First basket in the ball. 4 points in the ball game para kay Chico Lanete.
Baliktad ang mundo ron, ano? Nagpasa sa maliit.
Yun ang tiwala ng mga kasamahan niya. Dito kay Lanete, no? Kahit rookie.
Willie Miller slicing the defense of Pure Foods. Getting the basket. Bonus free throw coming up. Jordan Salvador.
Willie Miller na kumamasa. Ang ganda ng pekos na inapply na dun sa bola para pumasok.
The reigning MVP. Have to do something para sa Alaska Aces.
And this is the start. 7 points in the ball game para kay Willie Miller, averaging about 24 points a game.
Layo pa ang tatrabahuin dito si Willie Miller, pero meron pa tayong fourth quarter ahead of us. We only have about 35 seconds dito sa ating third period. Kirby Raimundo on the attack. Ball tata kay J.R. Quinyahan. Clean block there.
Nakita ko na sinutatahan niya si Asa Taulaba eh.
Kaya,
Taulaba, di ba?
Totoo yan.
Sarap Hindi mo ba napanood yun? Sa picture ng ABC5, hindi mo napanood yun?
Ngayon, napapanood ko. Ikaw naman pinutas ako. Ganon. JL Quintana.